All right, so let's do one last demo. And this is going to be more orchestration style in nature. So this application is going to be triggered by a Salesforce event. In my case, I've configured a trigger when an opportunity gets marked as closed won. So the first thing that I'll do here is I'm just going to clone this. And let's leave it at a stage of negotiation. Okay, so I've just cloned the opportunity. If I go over to the workflow history here, we'll see that there are no workflows that are running against this particular Salesforce object. And to trigger the workflow, let's go ahead and mark this as stage of closed won. Okay, so we should now have some workflow history here. We have a process that's just kicked off. And I'll open up the process viewer here so that we can follow along. So the opportunity is closed, right? We're going to get the details from that Salesforce record and use that to populate our AgilePoint process. Based on the location of the salesperson for this opportunity, we're going to route it through regional approvals, Asia, Europe, or North America. Assuming that gets approved, there's a few automated steps that we're going to take. We're going to generate the license keys and populate the contract. We'll again send this for digital signature. And then we're going to upload this document into Box, into Salesforce, and into my ERP system, NetSuite. So if I go back to my task list here, I have my task waiting for me. As you can see, all of the data has been pre-populated here into my form and pulled directly from the Salesforce record. AgilePoint has automatically calculated the licensing cost and the maintenance fees on my behalf, as well as the number of users. So I'll just add a comment, and then we can submit. Okay, now as we mentioned, there are a number of automated system activities that are going to take place next, right? Some of which you have already seen, right? Things like the document generation, digital signature. Okay, now I believe that I am the contact on this opportunity, so I'm just going to open up my inbox here, and I should have an email waiting. So here's my DocuSign. As you can see, we've populated the Word template. All of the dynamic data has been inserted here into our contract. So I can just click Finish and apply my signature. Okay, now I won't wait for the remainder of the activities to complete, right, given that it is review from the other demos that we've seen.